brush. It's a brush by... that, but it's from that guy. So this guy, it's like one of the Tangle Teaser brush. So it's like this, and the thing is that all the little thingies are different sizes. So when you actually brush your hair, it's smoother than when you're like brushing your hair with a normal thing, and it's supposed to don't hurt and don't take your hair out. Well, the hair out part, for me, it doesn't work like that. It still takes out a lot of my hair, but it does, for me, it leaves it smoother than it was before. So with the comb, like with a regular comb, you just brush it out. Like I don't have any problem, I just brush it out. But with this, when I brush it with this, I feel like my hair is so much softer than it was before, just when I use the comb. So this is 1999 euros. I think that's a little bit too much. I mean, for me, it's because I have wavy hair. So, and this is supposed to be for the wavy hair. Because they have three. They have they have one that it's pink, one that it's green, and one that it's blue. So the pink is for really like light, no, not light hair, but like fine hair. So the brush, the cerds are not that like hard. Then they have the green one that they are harder, and then they have the blue one that it's like for really thick hair, where you need like a stronger core things. So for me, this was supposed to be for me because I have normal hair, like I don't have fine hair, but I don't have too thick hair. And because it was wavy hair, so I was supposed to get this one, because for the other one it was for straight hair, and the other one was for really, really curly hair. But for me, it doesn't work if I brush it with this one. With the other, well, I haven't tried the other ones, but so yeah, I think this one is really nice because it does leave your hair smooth, but I don't think that it actually does what it says that it does, because for me it doesn't leave your hair like wavy, like it's just leaves as straight. So I mean, I don't regret buying it because it does leave it better. But I mean, if I had the opportunity, the acknowledgement, and then I will have it to buy it again, I think I wouldn't. I will just stay with my regular comb. Okay, just of course that's just my opinion, but yeah. So I hope it's helpful for you, the review, and see you next time. Bye bye.